Unlock the secrets your body reveals. Discover the 6 telltale signs that your body is crying out for vitamin C. Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic that affects millions of people worldwide: vitamin C deficiency. Are you getting enough of this essential nutrient? According to the National Health and Nutrition Exam Survey, many of us aren't. In this video, we'll reveal 6 signs your body is begging for vitamin C, so if you want to stay healthy, keep watching. Number 1. You get sick often. Our first sign that your body may be crying out for vitamin C is frequent illness. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fend off infections. It's like your body's personal shield against viruses and bacteria, but if you're constantly catching every respiratory infection and virus that comes your way, it could be a sign that you need more vitamin C. And here's a crucial point to remember: your body can't store vitamin C, so you need to replenish it daily. That's why it's vital to include vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, but don't jump to conclusions just yet. Increased susceptibility to infections can be due to various factors. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional for blood work and a physical exam to rule out other underlying causes. Number 2. You're tired all the time. Are you constantly battling fatigue, feeling drained even when you've had sufficient rest? This relentless tiredness might be a sign that your body is silently pleading for more vitamin C. Fatigue can be a concerning symptom, especially if it persists despite no significant changes in your daily routine or lifestyle. While there can be numerous underlying causes for fatigue, vitamin C deficiency is often overlooked. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in energy production within your body, and without an adequate supply, your energy levels can plummet. If you're experiencing this unrelenting tiredness, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can perform a thorough examination and blood work to determine if your fatigue is indeed linked to low vitamin C levels. Don't dismiss persistent tiredness as simply a part of life. It could be your body's way of signaling a nutritional deficiency. So listen to your body, seek medical advice, and explore ways to incorporate more vitamin C-rich foods into your diet. Your vitality depends on it. Number 3. You're bruising easily. Have you been noticing that you seem to bruise more easily than usual, even from the slightest bumps or knocks? If so, it's a sign that your body might be craving more vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in maintaining the strength of your body's blood vessels and tissues. When you're deficient in this vital nutrient, your skin becomes more susceptible to bruising. Those minor mishaps that never used to leave a mark may now result in those all too familiar black and blue bruises. Increasing your intake of vitamin C can help strengthen your blood vessels and reduce your susceptibility to bruising. However, it's essential to keep in mind that easy bruising can sometimes be caused by other underlying issues, such as a low platelet count. So if you're concerned about excessive bruising, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for a comprehensive checkup and blood count. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, and broccoli into your diet to give your body the support it needs to keep those unsightly bruises at bay. Remember, it's not just about appearances, it's about your overall health and well-being. Number 4. Slow healing wounds. Now let's talk about wound healing. If you're experiencing delays in healing from surgery, cuts, or other wounds, vitamin C might be your missing ingredient. Vitamin C is a key player in the wound healing process. It aids in the production of collagen, a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining smooth and elastic skin. Without an ample supply of vitamin C, your body struggles to generate new collagen, which can lead to delayed wound healing. Studies have shown that patients who receive high doses of vitamin C after surgery tend to recover more swiftly than those who don't. So if you want to optimize your body's natural ability to heal, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin C is essential. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers into your daily diet to provide your body with the resources it needs to heal efficiently. Remember, your body's ability to recover isn't just about aesthetics, it's a crucial aspect of your overall health. Number 5. Your joints ache. Joint pain can be a debilitating issue, and it's also one of the most common signs of vitamin C deficiency. This pain can affect any joint, but it's often felt in the knees and hips. But why does vitamin C deficiency cause joint aches? Well, it's because vitamin C is essential for building healthy collagen in your joints. When you don't get enough of it, your joints may suffer. Symptoms include painful joints when you move, stiffness, swelling, and even bruising around your joints. You might also experience aching muscles or tendons close to your joints. Now remember, if you're experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional because they could indicate other conditions, such as various types of arthritis. However, ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin C in your diet is essential for maintaining healthy joints. Number 6. Skin changes. Last but not least, let's talk about skin changes that can occur due to vitamin C deficiency. These visible alterations serve as important indicators of your body's nutritional needs. Firstly, be on the lookout for red or discolored patches on your skin. These irregular pigmentation patterns can often be attributed to insufficient vitamin C levels. Secondly, if you find yourself bruising more easily, especially in places where you wouldn't typically bruise, it's a sign that your body might be yearning for more vitamin C. Normally resilient skin may become more fragile in the absence of this essential nutrient. Lastly, pay attention to the corners of your mouth. Dryness and cracking in this area can be a telltale sign of vitamin C deficiency. These uncomfortable symptoms can be a direct result of your body's struggle to maintain healthy skin without an adequate supply of vitamin C. Fortunately, these skin changes can often be reversed with an increase in vitamin C intake. You can readily obtain vitamin C from citrus fruits, bell peppers, or vitamin C supplements. Remember, your skin's health reflects your overall well-being, so nourish it wisely. So there you have it, my fellow health enthusiasts. Vitamin C, the unsung hero in the story of your well-being. From warding off illnesses to maintaining vibrant skin and strong joints, it plays a pivotal role in your health narrative. Before we part ways, I have a question for you. What's your favorite vitamin C-rich food or recipe? Share your delicious discoveries in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace a healthier lifestyle. And remember, if you found this journey into the world of vitamin C as enlightening as a burst of citrus flavor, show your support by giving us a thumbs up, sharing this knowledge with your loved ones, and hitting that subscribe button for more insightful explorations. Until we reunite, stay curious, stay vibrant, and let vitamin C be your wellness compass.